theater of magic.
All right, hey everybody, welcome to Clark's Place. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate that. The point of this video is to take this that I saw, MPT3K. He made a pinball streaming rig out of a clothes rack. Couldn't find the exact one that he got, so I'll put links to everything that I bought in the description. But lots of cool stuff here I'll show you. This is kind of his guide to get into pinball streaming. Not to really make money or anything, but just to have some fun. But got a power cord, got a powered USB. You can see, you click each of these and you can see which ones are on. I think the red ones are actually powered USBs. And then cables for all three of my GoPros. Some, these, I forget what those are called. You'll see them down there. But those are really cool. You just take and kind of do a quick slip knot and it holds everything in place. Then I got 4 of these camera rigs with some, I think they're all SmallRig stuff, but those are all metal in there that they tighten up really tight. And some more GoPro mounts. And all these have swivels. And then I've got a few more things up at the house. I've got a stream deck, I believe it's called, and some fancy smancy light to light up the playfield. So that's kind of it in a nutshell. I might have, I think the stream deck was 120 bucks. And that was probably the most expensive thing that I bought for everything to be able to stream. So, Pops and I end up playing pinball at least once a day. So, it'll be one of these games. The Thunderball is very cool. I thought it was neat and haven't seen like hardly any plays of the premium games. So, that's the one that I want to stream. I think it's got the Invisiglass, so it should turn out pretty good. And with 3 GoPros, I don't know how they're going to work as far as streaming, but we'll see. We'll give it a whirl, and we'll see if we have fun doing it. And answer questions, do a tour of the garage. If you say get into the Jetpack Multiball, we'll do it. It'll be fun. So looking forward to it, and probably within the next week, you'll see something on a live stream notification that we're going live. So it should be fun. Let's get to building this thing. Alright, so that is the streaming rig. Our GoPro messed up somehow. There was a glitch in the matrix and our gameplay didn't actually record. So basically it looks like this clamps on there. The camera goes up there, and we'll see how we get it sorted out as far as how the playfield looks and playing in the dark and in the light and how we should actually stream. These 2 extra pieces in this kit are the actual feet. You can see the little holes there. They tie from one side to the other. I'm not using those, so those are trash. And I heard if you use the wheels, your rig can kind of shake or move or do something, so I'm not going to use that. And then this, with those, is supposed to be in the middle and be a bar for a clothes rack, so I'm not using this piece either. So with a little modification, like Manu said from MPT3K, he modified this, which this kit looks like it'll do about the same for, I think it was 33 bucks. So we'll set the camera up top. Like I said, I think earlier, this camera, like if that's facing back, we might mount a GoPro facing this way. And then if this one, maybe we'll adjust it this way a little bit or back or forth. I don't know, to get the best view of the DMD. Get it back a little bit to where it looks a little more straight on is kind of what I'm thinking the pinball streamers do. But if you got any advice for me as I progress forward with this, let me know, and we'll probably get a few cameras going here soon and be live streaming. Yeah, so let me get this camera mounted. We'll see how it looks. Alright, so we will do the old home team. I wish I would have caught our game because had a pretty good game there. We'll have another good game. Or maybe we won't. Oddjob.
You'll want to complete the Spectre targets to build Bird 1 jackpots. All unlocked. Hurry up! Your time is running out. Double score. Super pump bumpers are lit.
Yes, my hardest shot. Give me that lock.
Ball 2, locked.
Oh.
Please stop shaking the game. Branch is lit.
There are men in the crater.
The men in the crater.
Super jackpot.
Alright, let's cut the lights out. I have a light that I'll probably attach on somewhere on this bar, but this is our first test.
Active reconnaissance.
35 mil.
We got away without trouble.
I got lucky.
Don't do for a man who just out of the wall.
Hi, Mr. Q. Are you having any luck? Listen, Mr. Q, I was wondering, have you heard any talk about me from Felix or James?
No, I'm afraid not.
Well, I guess I'm working for the good guys now, but I'm still only 2 steps away from the slammer if they want me there. I thought you might be able to put in a good word. Unbelievable.
Hey, you didn't give me that. Or that one. Or that one!
Lock is it?
One more for jetpacks.
Lock is it? Who's shaking the gate?
Get up there! Aw, you dirty dog.
Super spinner, isn't it?
Nice multi-ball, Clark. Oh, 9th time's a charm, and I lost it. That's outstanding play. Jetpack Multiball is lit. I get a redemption. Maybe. Maybe.
Triple jackpot. Jackpot.
is locked.
Mr. Osato.
I don't know if this is progressive, like you get one green shot, then it flashes a little faster, you get another green shot, it flashes a little faster. I've never gotten like 3 in a row to know.
Please stop shooting.
I don't know now. 195 mil, and I don't feel good about it. It was not a good time. Actually, it was an excellent time. So, we'll do a taste test there. We got no lights. We got lights. So, we'll see how it looks on camera. And this is your first test. So, if you see something you like or see something I should do, pin stadium lights I've seen on some people that stream. I may do something like that. But definitely have 3 cameras and a light. I'm not sure how well that'll work, but I think Dan and I'll have some fun. Maybe getting online every other night or so, whenever we come out, and stream some pinball for you, and take requests, and talk to some of our subscribers. So, like, subscribe, and on Facebook we're Clark's Place as well. So I'll probably put a notification when we're going live, so y'all can log in and watch us play some pinball each night. Gonna be fun. Bye-bye.